the promise of freedom. They call it financial freedom. Commercials filled with smiling faces, luxury cars, glowing city lights. A simple piece of plastic, shining, sleek, powerful, held up as the key to happiness. But behind that smile lies a silent contract. The card offers freedom today and takes it back tomorrow. The trap begins. It starts innocently. A coffee here, a dress there, a vacation paid later. The system whispers, "You deserve this." The small debts grow quietly. You don't feel the weight, not yet. But every purchase ties another link in an invisible chain. The illusion of choice banks don't just sell credit, they sell illusion. Every card, every limit increase, every cashback reward feels like empowerment. But empowerment without control is just another form of captivity. The interest machine. Then the numbers begin to whisper. 2%, 5%, 20% interest, small numbers, deadly effects. Banks thrive not on wealth, but on your waiting. Every day you delay, they collect. The corporate puppet masters. In glass towers, executives smile. They watch data, not people. For them, debt is profit. Despair is revenue. The system isn't broken. It was designed this way. The human cost behind every unpaid bill, there's a sleepless night. Behind every minimum payment, a silent fear. Families crumble under financial weight. The golden chains. The chains aren't made of iron. They're made of gold. They sparkle, they shine, they look beautiful until you try to move. The world of endless debt. A global web of debt ties nations and people alike. Governments, families, individuals, all bound by the same invisible strings. The awakening. But awareness is the first step. When you see the cage, you begin to plan your escape. The escape freedom begins when you stop living to consume. The moment you break the chain, you find yours, a new way to live. Imagine a life where money serves you, not controls you. True wealth is not in your wallet, but in your peace. The truth. The credit card was never just a card. It was a mirror, showing what we've become. But we can choose differently. The golden chains exist only as long as we let them.